This is a groovy grammar. What you need to do is write, first up, our first challenge is to write 4 sentences, each starting with one of the 4 W words. Here are the 4 W words. They are what, when, which, and where. Each sentence should have 12 words, use correct grammar and punctuation, and should be written in join letter writing for 4 marks. The next thing you need to do is prefix hunt. Now, prefixes are little small words or groups of letters at the start of words, and they change the meaning of the words. We're looking at the prefixes of in, un, dis, and miss, and I want you to find 3 words for each of these prefixes. What do all the prefixes mean? We'll talk about that in class. And I want you to use Visual Thesaurus to find synonyms for each of the words that you learn. Write your new words in a different colour. Okay, so what you need, I want you to write all your new words that you learn in a different colour. Okay, if you don't know what that word is, and we're going to look at what apostrophes are and when do we need to use them. I'm going to ask you to give me 5 examples for each of the 2 ways that we use them. I'll show you that on the board. And then finally, I want you to write 3 creative narrative sentences that include, they can be 3 separate or 3 join, or they can join all together. This is for 14 marks. So 3 creative sentences, either 3 separate or 3 joined. They have to have the words which, what, when, and where in them. They have to have one of each prefix word that you found from un, in, dis, or miss. 2 of the new words that you now know from your Visual Thesaurus hunt. And make sure you have at least 12 words in the sentences, include correct punctuation and grammar, and use join letter writing. Okay.